Welcome back to Geekatplay's poser tutorials for beginners. We're going to learn how to take a product that you buy off the Geekatplay content store, install it into your runtime, or if you've modified this figure, or perhaps you've modified one of the figures or other products that we have on the content store and you want to put it on your new computer or one of your other machines. We're going to learn how to do. So here's a rare occurrence. We're going to close down Poser for this tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to work the back end. So we've got our alien business, and we're just going to open that right up, and you can see, and over here you see I have my Poser 6 runtime already open. And over here is the alien business zip file, and it also has a runtime in. And what you can do very simply to install it is select all your files here and drag them straight into your runtime. It's going to ask you if you want to save over all the existing files and folders that have the same name. And you don't need to worry about that. That'll be fine unless you already have it alien business installed in your runtime. This is not something to worry about, and you can say yes to all. So it'll take a minute to install, and now you have the product installed on your system. Now take, for example, you have another installation of Poser or a new machine. Well, all you do is take that zip file over to your other computer or other machine, do the same thing. Now take, for example, you want to install some of the alien business product. Maybe somehow your props got lost. The alien business model, the alien business figure comes with actually quite a few props, and what you can do is, if you have lost those somehow, or maybe you just want to install those onto your new machine, all you have to do is we're going to create a new folder and name it whatever you like, alien props. We'll name it alien props. Copy your runtime over into that folder. It takes a second to copy, and it's important you copy so that you don't lose the content in your zip file. So we're just going to come in and delete out the stuff that we don't want. So we'll go into geometries, and we're going to see, okay, there's figures and props. Well, we don't want the figures. We already have the figures, so we're going to delete that. We just want the props, and the props, there's all of the geometries for props. And we're going to come back out into libraries. And again, we don't need the character, so we're going to delete the character. Click yes. And let's look to see what's in the pose folder. Looks like these are just material poses. We don't need those, as those apply only to the figure. So we'll delete those out. And again, we have our props there. And now we'll come back out into the main runtime folder, and we're not going to need templates, and we're going to need some of the textures, so let's go in and we can figure out, okay, that's a prop. That BD stands for body. Doesn't look like we'll need any of the bodies, as those apply to the alien business figure. And we also don't need the heads, which is HD. So we'll delete all those out, and we don't need that one either. Looks like the only texture we need is the handgun. So we'll keep that, come back out, and we've gone through each of our different folders. So we're ready to zip it up. and again we named it alien props. We'll go ahead and rar it up, and then we can take this rar file and transfer it to our new computer, or a zip file if you have a zip utility. Transfer it to the new computer or the new folder. We're going to come back out into this folder, bring it over here, and follow the same steps as you did with the zip file. So I'm going to extract this folder to the downloads in alien props. Now that it's extracted, I can open it up and drag and drop all my folders straight into it. So now you know how to install a Geekatplay product and customize your installation to suit your needs. Thank you for watching this video tutorial from Geekatplay Studios. Be sure to visit us on the web at posertutorials.net for more upcoming videos. I'm Geek at Large Jared Buchanan. Thank you.